Have you ever seen something like this? I had not, and now I'm kind of addicted because it is the best way to clean cast iron pans like this one. Instead of using a scrubber, regular scrubber, or even a sponge that you're gonna pretty much ruin, because these things are super heavy duty and they're really hard to clean because things will get stuck to them if they're not properly seasoned. Especially, I like to use this in between seasoning. I think it's a great way to really go down and scrub your cast iron. I say cast iron, I'm gonna keep on saying it because you do not want to use this on non-stick pans and things like that, because it's literally scratching the entire surface. So easy to clean. A little bit of water, a little bit of soap will go a long way, and you can really go with your fingers, go around the entire pan. As you can see, look at that, and I can already see, look at all that stuff that's coming out of my pan. Oh my goodness. So that's the kind of that's the power of this thing. You can combine it with a sponge if you wanted to, but as you can see, just your fingers, it works great. Love the fact that there's a little hoop where you can actually just hang this on and let it drip dry, because of course there's no maintenance, none whatsoever. Like I said, a little water, a little soap. This thing is so versatile. I'm even going to be able to use it on my griddle outside because it is also cast iron. But yeah, this thing, whether you're going circular or up and down like that, it's doing the work and it does a fantastic job. Wow.